Assalamu alaikum. This is NOUR PRIYALI. Today's our topic is Sonar radar system using Arduino Uno and Ultrasonic Sensor. Table of contents. Introduction to radar system. Radar is a long-range object detection system that uses radio waves to establish certain parameters of an object like its range, speed, and positions. The project is based on sonar technology, as I will be using an ultrasonic sensor to determine the presence of any object in a particular range. Radar is an object detection system. It uses microwave to determine the range, altitude, direction, or speed of object. The radar can transmit radio waves or microwaves which bounce off any object in their path, so we can easily determine any object in their radar range.
Assalamu alaikum. I am WALID bin KHALED and I will discuss the component part of this project. Basically, we use here two type of components, hardware and software. In hardware, we use Arduino and ESC SRO for ultrasonic sensor, TOR Pro HG90 servo motor mounting broadcast of ultrasonic sensor, jumper cable and USB cable. In software, we use Arduino IDE and processing application. What is Arduino? Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. It consists of a microcontroller board and the software IDE that is used to write and upload code to the board. Arduino boards are capable to reading inputs such as sensor or switch and controlling various output like LEDs and or motors. Servo motor is a motor who is required plus 5 volt to operate and having a torque of 2.5 kg per centimeter. It must be kept in mind that is can only rotate from 0 degree to 180 degree. We also use ultrasonic sensor, which is mainly used to determine the distance of the target object. Its operating frequency is 4 MHz and its detection range is from 2 cm to 400 cm. And next slide will be continue my next member.
Thank you, sir, for this opportunity. My name is ZAHIN bin Saeed. I would like to describe the block diagram and circuit diagram of our circuit. We can see from the block diagram that we have 4 parts: the servo motor, a ultrasonic distance sensor, an Arduino, and a PC. The servo motor moves 180 degrees, thus allowing the ultrasonic distance sensor to sense the distance and send the corresponding values to the Arduino, which then translates it to a code, and we can visualize this through PC. From our circuit diagram, we can see how we connected the servo motors and the distance sensor to our Arduino Uno and connected to a power source and ground source. This circuit diagram has been made sure that no connection is incorrect. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, this is Mirazul Hasan, and now I am going to discuss the working principle and demonstrate our project with the video. So first of all, we can see here our Arduino, which is connected with the laptop. Here we can see the servo motor with the supersonic sensor, and it is rotating 180 degree. Here we can see the visuals. After running the code and connecting the Arduino with the laptop, we can see there is nothing showing in the radar because we haven't put anything in front of the sensor. Now we will put some object in front of the sensor and see what will happen. We can see in the visuals there is showing red marks in the radar. This is showing us that something is in front of the sensor.
Assalamu alaikum, my honorable teacher. My name is KHANDAKER and my topic is conclusion in this project. Radar is an electromagnetic system for the detection and location of target objects such as aircraft, ship, spacecraft, vehicles, people, and the natural environment, which can reflect a signal back. It uses electromagnetic radio wave to determine the angle, range, or velocity of objects. The modern radar system is more advanced and the use of radar are highly diverse, such as air traffic control, air defense system, radar astronomy, anti-missile system, ocean surveillance system, outer space surveillance, and many more. That's all for today. Thank you, sir.